Hi all, welcome back. Welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing a recipe vlog. The past weekend I tried few recipes at my house. My kids loved both the recipes. I tried Chinese chicken biryani and also tried pesto pasta using macaroni. So thought of sharing these recipes. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Please keep watching the video till the end. So first I'm making Chinese chicken biryani. For this I'm taking the white part of spring onions. This part I'm going to peel the onion nicely and wash it, and I'm going to slice them nicely and use it in the recipe. This gives an amazing flavor. Also here I have sliced and diced all of the vegetables and kept it to use. As a preparation I am going to marinate 500 grams of boneless chicken. And to marinate this chicken, I am going to add 1.5 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of green chili sauce, and 1 tablespoon of Szechuan chutney. If you want, you can add ginger garlic paste. Now mix everything nicely and let it marinate for the maximum possible time you can. I left it to marinate for half an hour. Now in a pan I am going to heat 3 tablespoon oil, and when the oil is nicely heated, I am going to fry the boneless chicken. So I am going to fry the chicken on high flame until it is almost 3/4 cooked. So now the chicken is nicely cooked. I am going to take it out and keep it aside separately. I am going to use this later. Now the chicken is 3/4 cooked. Now in the same pan I'll be adding 1 tablespoon oil again, and when the oil is nicely heated I'm going to add in this white onion which I spoke about and all of the other vegetables. So here I'm adding spring onions. Once the onions are nicely fried, I'll be adding the other vegetables. Here I'm adding spring onions. Also adding around 10 baby corns which I have sliced capsicum, 1 medium sized carrot, and around 12 French beans chopped. Now fry these vegetables nicely. I don't want the vegetables to be soggy and very soft, so I'm going to fry them on high flame for a couple of minutes. Now I'm adding half cup of green chili sauce, half cup of tomato ketchup, 2 tablespoons of Szechuan chutney, and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Now you can increase the quantity of sauces or also decrease them. It depends on your taste. Now after frying this for a couple of seconds, I am going to add in cabbage. This is around 200 grams of cabbage which I have sliced. Now I'm going to fry this well for a couple of seconds. Into this I'm adding half cup of chicken stock. If you don't have chicken stock, you can add 2 tablespoons water. Now mix it nicely. Now I'm going to add in the chicken. Give it a good mix on high flame and then turn off the flame. You don't need to cook anything extra because it's going to cook with the rice again. Now for the rice, I have taken around 2 liters of water in a big vessel. Into this I'm adding 1 bay leaf and 2 cinnamon sticks. I'm going to keep the water to boil, and once the water is nicely boiling, I'm going to add 2 cups of basmati rice. Now on the whole it's around 500 grams of rice which I have washed and soaked. You have to cook the rice only till it is half cooked and then drain and keep it aside. Now when you look at the gravy, there is a lot of water in it, moisture in it. So we are going to further cook the rice with this gravy for an amazing flavor. Now add in your rice and give the rice and gravy a gentle mix. On top of this, I am going to add few saffron strands soaked in water and 1 tablespoon ghee. Give it a gentle mix. You can go ahead, cover and cook it on dum until it is nicely cooked. Or for special flavor like me, you can give it a charcoal flavor, charcoal smoke. I have placed a hot burning charcoal on a katori and drizzled few drops of ghee. Immediately cover it and cook it on dum. It turned out so yummy that it vanished in no time. I couldn't even take video of it. Now here I am making an artwork for my kitchen. I am making a kitchen sign which says meals and memories are made here. For this I have taken a black cardboard and painted it with white paint to give this a nice chalky effect. I am planning to make a video of my kitchen. So for dinner we had pesto pasta. Here I am making pesto sauce using 2 handfuls of basil leaves. Added 3 cubes of cheese and 8 cloves of garlic. 2 tablespoons of cashew nuts. I did not have pine nuts which are used in this recipe, so substituted it with cashew nuts. Adding 2 tablespoons of fresh cream and 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Now grind all of this together to make a smooth paste. So this is the base of the pasta, pesto sauce. This is ready and this is what it looks like. Now in the pan here I have heated 1 tablespoon of butter. When the butter is heated, I am going to add half capsicum red and half capsicum yellow which I have diced. Also adding a tablespoon of salt because I did not add salt while making the sauce. Now saute it nicely. Once the vegetables are nicely sauteed, I am going to go ahead and add in the sauce. On low flame, give it a good stir. Keep on stirring it on low flame. Also going to add a dash of oregano. Also when the sauce is almost cooked, I added handful of basil leaves chopped to give it a nice crunchy flavor. This is optional. If you want, you can skip it. Now mix and adjust the quantity, adding water if you want, to coat the macaroni. So now add in your cooked macaroni. I did not have pasta, so I am adding macaroni. And give it a good stir. Turn off the flame. Now coat the macaroni very well with the sauce and serve it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If yes, do give this video a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel and